It's Friday morning, and no, there wasn't a clock this morning. I ran out of clocks that I can show. I'm trying to get to the physical therapy appointment a tiny bit early before the snow starts. Apparently we're getting a blizzard. Just what I needed, more fucking snow. It's actually snowing right now at 6:51 in the morning, but it's very light, so I predict by the time I get out of therapy, the snow will be a little heavier. So I'm done with therapy, and as you can see, it's a winter wonderland already. Hopefully, hopefully the highway is not bad yet. Physical therapy went well. Since we're getting this big blizzard, they've canceled all the appointments for tomorrow already. Yeah, so this is pretty much a boring drive, but at least it's snowing, so it's a little different than what you guys have seen in the past. So apparently slippery conditions may exist. Really? I need a sign to tell me that? So I will have an unboxing for you guys soon. The Mophie has launched what they are calling the Helium for iPhone 5. Essentially it's a battery case. So it's a case and it's a battery extender. And I've had Mophie products from the past, and I've been very pleased with them. I like their cases. I mean, my friend actually was the one that got me into it. He bought one through the Apple Store, and I was like, oh, this is kind of cool. Yeah, so the conditions are getting really bad. As you can see, it's getting grayer and wintrier.
When it's all said and done, Judy, we're looking at around 6 to 12 inches through Jersey, and then from the city northward and eastward, we're looking at a foot, if not more, especially as you head north and eastward. It's likely to see higher amounts. We want to stay tuned to 10-10 winds because of the potential for power outages and coastal flooding, with the winds gusting to 60 miles per hour as well.
Oh, lovely.
After the snow ends, still some blowing and drifting tomorrow. The sun may come out, though. Nice up in the neighborhood.
Ooh, I have something to look forward to. The sun may come out tomorrow. Here's a weird fact of the day. Did you know that there is a lady that's 105 years old, and she's the oldest registered user on Facebook? I'm like 3 inches from home, and I can't move because of the garbage truck. But that's alright. They move pretty quickly. So now you guys can get to see the garbage men at work. I bring you all the action-packed coverage, don't I? There you guys can see the amount of snow. I shoveled a little bit in the front so you guys could see. It's about a little less than a foot. And as you can see, I have somewhat of a path. Look at this guy with the snowblower. Wow. Let's just take a quick walk down. So, yes, I shoveled and shoveled and shoveled and shoveled. We got about a foot of snow, so it's really not that bad. Hey guys, so it is Saturday evening, and I'm exhausted. My back hurts from shoveling a foot of snow, and that was pretty much my day. I was out early shoveling snow before I was buried by all my neighbors, and then I watched the hockey game on TV because I obviously didn't go, and then I took a nap because I was very tired, and then I woke up and my back hurts a little bit, so I'm probably going to take some aspirin or something before I go to bed. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like and share my videos. Thanks for your support, and I will see you guys soon.